Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 9. For the following statements write true T or false F. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Right. Now question number A. A is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Right. Let us take a number line. I have taken a number line. Suppose this number line. This number line I have taken. It starts this number line I have taken, right? Now here it is 0, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay, right, there is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6, this is minus 7, this is minus 8, this is minus 9, this is minus 10. Now minus 8 is to the right of minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Now you see minus 8 is here, right, is to the right of minus 10. Minus 10 is here, right, minus 8 is here. The question is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10, right. Now I have to see which one is greater. In this direction, if we go in the right direction, right, if we go in the right direction, the number one will be increasing order, right. And if you go in the left direction, left, then the number will be decreasing. In this direction it is decreasing, right. Now in the question number A, you see number A, what is given? Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Now you know that minus 10 is less than minus 8, right. Therefore we can say that minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. This is true, right. That is minus 8. Now if minus 8 is greater than minus 10, right, and this direction it is increasing, right. Therefore minus 8 is to the right, this is in the left direction, right. Therefore minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 of a number line is true, right. Therefore we can say, or you can say, since minus 8 is greater than minus 10, therefore it is in the right direction. Therefore minus 8 is to the right of minus 10, right of minus 10 on a number line. That is true, right. That means this line is true, it is true. Now question number B, minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. Let us take one number line. Suppose this is 0 and we have taken only two number. One is minus 100. Suppose this is minus 100, this is minus 100, and this is minus 50, right. The question is minus 100 is to the right of minus 50, is to right of minus 50. This is minus 50. Here you see this is in the right direction and this is in the left direction. Left direction means this is decreasing, right. That is, it is here, it is given that minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. That is wrong. Yeah, why? Because minus 100 is to the left of minus 50. Here you see, because minus 50 is greater than minus 100, therefore minus 50 will be right to of minus 100. This This is false. Question B is false. Question B is false. And what is the correct answer? The correct answer is that minus 100 is minus 100 in which direction? Is in the left. Here you see in the left. Minus 100 is to the is to the to the left of minus 50. The left of minus 50 on a number line. On a number line. Right, that means question number B is that is false, and minus 100 is to the left of minus 50. Here you see, because minus 100 is less than minus 50, therefore it is in the left side. Right, now question number C. Question number C is the smallest negative integer is minus 1. Let us take another number line. Right, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. The smallest negative integer is minus 1. No, this is not right. Why? Because if we go on in this direction, it is number is decreasing. We can say that minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Right? In this way it is increasing, and in this way it is decreasing. Right? Therefore, this question number C, that is the smallest negative integer minus 1, is false. This is false. And what is the correct answer? This is false. What is the correct answer? The smallest negative integer is minus 1. That is wrong. Greatest negative integer is minus 1. Greatest negative integer is minus 1. It is the greatest negative integer because in this direction it is increasing, and in this direction it is decreasing. Right? That's why minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Now minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Let us take another number line. This is a number line. We have taken here 0. This is 0, and two number. One is here, this is minus 25, and here minus 26. Minus 26. Now you see, in this direction it is increasing, and in this direction it is decreasing. Right? Therefore, you can say that minus 26 is greater than minus 25 is wrong. That is false. D is false. Then what will be the answer? Question number D, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Right? That means minus 25 is greater than minus 20. Here you see minus 25 in this direction it is increasing. Here you see this is this it is increasing. Therefore, you can say that minus 25 is minus 25 is greater than minus 26. Right? Again we are repeating once again. Here you see, right? Let's see this one. right? That means for the following statements, right? For the following statement, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Here you see minus 8 is here, right? And minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Here it is right. Minus 10 is here and minus 10 is greater than minus 10. Therefore, it is to the right of right. That is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line is true. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. Here you see this is 0, minus 50 and minus 100, right? Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. No, because minus 50 is greater than minus 100. Therefore, it should be on the minus 50 should be greater than should be on the right of minus 100. This is not correct. Therefore, this is false. Therefore, the answer is minus 100 is to the left. Here you see this is left, this is right. Minus 100 is to the left of minus 50, right? Question number C is the smallest negative integer is minus 1. Here if we compare in this direction, that is 0, it is 1, it is minus 1, it is minus 2. Therefore, it is not smallest. In this direction it is decreasing, in this direction it is increasing. Therefore, the greatest negative integer is minus 1, right? Therefore, this is false. Greatest negative integer is minus 1. Minus 26 greater than minus 25. Here you see 0, this is minus 25, this is minus 26. In this direction it is increasing and in this direction it is decreasing, right? Therefore, you can say that minus 25 is greater than minus 26. This is the solution of question number 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.